Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. It's no coincidence that when people receive awards or accolades or you see athletes, one of the first things that they say is, "Thank you, Mom." Uh, Moms are invaluable. They carry the weight of the family. And I just want to give you your flowers. It's a special day. And all you mothers out there, I know what it's like being a single parent. I was a single parent for 2 weeks and I wanted somebody to take me out. And that was a good lesson for a man of what often mothers have to do with 24/7. That was the first time I understood what 24/7 meant when I had my son for 2 weeks. So all you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. We appreciate you. Deuces.
Happy Women's Day from Ricky Voice, as he gets to give us a lovely message. We all know him from Beauty in Black. So guys, just leave your comments below and do not forget to subscribe, like and share.